Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India, is a policy think tank of the Government of India established in 2015 to achieve sustainable development goals with cooperative federalism by fostering the involvement of state governments of India in the economic policy making process using a bottom up approach. Niti Aayog serves as the premier policy think tank of the Government of India, providing both directional and policy inputs while designing strategic and long-term policies and programs for the Government of India. Niti Aayog also provides relevant technical advice to the center and states. The major functions of Niti Aayog include fostering cooperative federalism through structured support initiatives and mechanisms with the states on a continuous basis and ensuring accountability in the implementation of programs. Niti Aayog also provides relevant technical advice to the center and states on key policy issues and monitoring and evaluate the implementation of the programs. The vision of Niti Aayog is to build a dynamic and vibrant India through a cooperative and inclusive federal structure where the states and the center work together to achieve rapid economic growth and improvement in the quality of life of all citizens, especially the poor and underprivileged. Niti Aayog works with the state governments to revitalize the rural economy and increase agricultural productivity and to boost industrial development and employment. One of the key initiatives of Niti Aayog is the 15-year vision, 7-year strategy and 3-year action plan, which provides a long-term vision for the development of India and lays down the roadmap for the transformation of India. The focus of the 15-year vision is to make India a prosperous, healthy, secure, and globally competitive society by 2030. Niti Aayog is also mandated to provide a critical, directional, and strategic input into the development process. To achieve this, it has established various subgroups and committees to focus on specific development challenges and opportunities. These subgroups and committees include the National Committee on Trade Facilitation, the subgroup on healthcare, the subgroup on skill development and employment, etc. In conclusion, Niti Aayog is a key policy making body of the Government of India, serving as the premier think tank of the government. It is responsible for providing policy inputs and technical advice to the government, fostering cooperative federalism, and ensuring accountability in the implementation of programs. With its focus on long-term vision, strategic planning, and implementation, Niti Aayog is poised to play a critical role in the economic development of India. Niti Aayog also plays an important role in promoting and facilitating cooperative federalism through structured support initiatives and mechanisms with the states. The government think tank is aimed at ensuring the involvement of state governments in the economic policy making process using a bottom-up approach, thereby leading to more effective policy formulation and implementation. Another important function of Niti Aayog is to monitor and evaluate the implementation of programs and schemes and to provide relevant technical advice to the center and states on key policy issues. This helps the government to identify gaps in the implementation of programs and take appropriate action to address these gaps. Niti Aayog also plays a crucial role in promoting innovation and entrepreneurship and in fostering a culture of innovation and creativity in the country. To achieve this, the think tank has established various initiatives, including the Atal Innovation Mission AIM, which aims to promote a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship in the country. AIM provides a platform for nurturing innovation and entrepreneurship through various programs and initiatives, including the Atal Tinkering Labs and the Atal Incubation Centers. In addition, Niti Aayog is also actively involved in the preparation of the annual Economic Survey of India, which provides an overview of the country's economic performance and outlines the major challenges and opportunities facing the economy. The Economic Survey serves as an important policy document providing relevant information and data to policymakers and stakeholders. Niti Aayog also plays a critical role in promoting sustainable development in India. The think tank has established various initiatives, including the SDG India Index, which aims to monitor the progress of India towards the Sustainable Development Goals SDGs set by the United Nations. The SDG India Index provides a comprehensive assessment of the country's performance on various SDGs and helps the government to identify areas where improvement is needed. In conclusion, Niti Aayog plays a critical role in the economic development of India. With its focus on promoting cooperative federalism, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship, monitoring and evaluating the implementation of programs and promoting sustainable development, Niti Aayog is poised to play a critical role in shaping the future of India. Niti Aayog is also responsible for the implementation of various schemes and programs such as the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. These schemes aim to improve the livelihoods of the people, especially the poor and underprivileged, by providing access to financial services, insurance coverage, and basic infrastructure facilities. In addition, Niti Aayog also collaborates with various international organizations such as the World Bank, the Asian Development Bank, and the United Nations Development Programme to support the implementation of development programs in India. The think tank also works closely with the private sector, civil society organizations, and other stakeholders to promote inclusive and sustainable growth in the country. Niti Aayog is also involved in various initiatives aimed at promoting gender equality and empowering women in India. The think tank has established various programs such as the Women Entrepreneurship Platform, which aims to provide support to women entrepreneurs in the country. WEP provides a platform for women entrepreneurs to network, access mentorship and financial support, and gain access to market opportunities. In conclusion, Niti Aayog plays a critical role in the economic development of India by promoting cooperative federalism, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship, monitoring and evaluating the implementation of programs, and promoting sustainable development. The think tank is also responsible for the implementation of various schemes and programs aimed at improving the livelihoods of the pupil, especially the poor and underprivileged